everyone. So myself Raghav Jagga, a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, pursuing BCom LLB in taxation laws. So nowadays I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. So today for our topic is concept of search and seizure under a CGST Act. So let us discuss this concept in a brief. So let's start. So search is an action of a government officials to go and look through or examine carefully a place, person, object, etc. in order to find the something or to be discovered the evidence of a crime. The search only be done under the proper and valid authority of the law. So while discussing this concept, one question put our mind that who can order a search under GST and when. So on the basis of the results of the inspections or any of the other reasons, the joint commissioner of SGST or CGST or a superior officer can order for a search if he has a reason to believe that there are goods who is liable for a confiscation. Okay, any document or books or any other things which will be useful during the proceedings and are hidden somewhere. Okay, let us discuss the concept search and seizure. So search only under the authorization of the JC in a following cases: if goods liable to confiscation or any documents, books, records, things are secreted in any place, that at all such places can be searched. Okay, another one is all the documents, books, etc. may be seized, and if it is not practically to be seized, then the same may be detained. Okay, then another point is seizure only for examination, inquiry, proceedings, otherwise shall be returned within 30 days from the issuance of the SCN. So another point is the seizure goods shall be, okay, the seizure goods shall be provisionally related on the execution of the bonds and functioning a secretary or on a payment of a applicable tax and the penalties. Okay, another point is a notice within a 6 month if no all such goods shall be returned. Okay, this extension by a commissioner for a 6 month is allowed only. Okay, another point is in the presence of 2 or more witnesses. So let us discuss what are the procedure for a seizure. So let us start with the point wise. The proper officer will given an order of a seizure in a form of GST, which is INS/0, whichever number are there. Second point is the officer authorized to a search will have a power to seal the doors of the premises. Third point is he can also break open the door if premises it access is denied. He can be break open any cup box or a box in which the goods, books and documents etc. are to be suspected. Okay, another point is the officer will issue an order of a provision of a form which is GST INS/03. So let us discuss procedure. What are the procedure after seizure? Okay, so the person whose documents are seized can make a copy only in the presence of the officer. If the notice is not issued within a 6th month of the seizing of the goods, they will be returned. The government can issue a hardiest or a prescribed goods which can be disposed of as soon as they are seized. All the goods seized will be listed properties of the officer. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please feel free to comment on a comment box. Okay, goodbye.